Good morning and welcome to Monday's assembly. So now we're going to play guess the article. Okay, so I'm going to show you some things. I'm going to see from those things if you can guess what article we are looking at. So here's the first one. Okay, does anyone know what this is? This is a passport, okay? And this is what we need if we are going to travel out of the country. It's also a very useful form of identification, so we can prove who we are. What's this? That's right, it's a birthday card, okay? So we get birthday cards when we're celebrating that very special day, our birthday. And your last clue is a birth certificate, okay? This is what you get when your birth is registered, and it is another useful form of identification. So, any ideas what article we're looking at? That's right, well done. It's Article 7. So Article 7, birth, registration, name, nationality and care. Covers a load of things, Article 7 does. I'm going to read it to you. Every child has the right to be registered at birth, to have a name and a nationality, and as far as possible to know and be cared for by their parents. So I'm going to describe to you Article 7 in action for me, okay? And your challenge at the end is to describe Article 7 in action for you, okay? I'd love to see some writings, some videos, some posters, how it looks to you. And as usual, there's a PowerPoint with loads of extra activities. So this is Article 7 in action for me, Louise. I like to be called Louise, and I like it when people say it properly and spell it properly. I've got my birth certificate and my passport, and they prove who I am. I love being British and I love England. I love living here. I like the weather. I love the food. I love the people and the different kinds of scenery. I love the fact that you can be in a city centre one day and wide open countryside the next day. England is a country of contrasts, and I think that is absolutely fantastic. I also love the music of my country, and I am proud to see all the talent that we produce, especially our YouTube video, Stand By Me. Have you seen that? It's amazing. I really enjoy the story of George and the Dragon. It makes me feel really patriotic and really proud to be English. I was lucky enough to be raised by both my parents, and I was also surrounded by loving aunties, uncles and loads of cousins. Cousins are your first playmates, and I'm still very close with all my cousins. It's fantastic. So this is me. This is Article 7 in action, okay? So I would love you to describe Article 7 in action for you. So send me your ideas, and don't forget to look on the PowerPoint for more activities. Okay guys, stay safe. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye bye. See you soon.